It's a great day at Western GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2022 Buick Encore GX Preferred. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Encore GX. The driver's door has power locks, power windows with an auto express window, power adjustable side mirrors, the child lock button, door storage, and a door speaker. To the left of the steering wheel we have some lighting controls, all-weather floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, cloth leather combination interior. Next I'm going to climb in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. On the left side we have the cruise control buttons with forward collision alert, and on the right side we have our audio and voice controls. Up next is our driver information center. We're able to scroll through that dash using the arrow buttons on the steering wheel. OnStar and some lighting controls up above. This is Buick's Infotainment Center, equipped with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time, and it also doubles as our backup camera with or without guidance. To the left here is our engine push start button. Apply pressure to the brake and hold the button down to start the vehicle. Climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated front seats, some USB ports and power plug-ins. Down below we have the auto stop start button, all-wheel drive, lane departure alert, and traction control. At the front of the Encore GX we have LED headlamps, fog lights, 18-inch bright silver aluminum wheels, a 1.3-liter turbo engine under the hood, rear tinted windows, keyless access, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors, remote start, the rear window wiper, and next I'll open up the liftgate by pushing the button. In the trunk we've got plenty of cargo storage space, cargo hooks, lighting, and a storage compartment with a spare tire down below. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger crossover. The passenger door has power windows, door storage, and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got seat pockets. The back of the center console has some USB plug-ins, all-weather floor mats on the floor, and we're able to fold these rear seats down by pulling the lever on the top of the seat. So come take a look at the 2022 Buick Encore GX Preferred, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.